In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase the WordPress memory limit in Namecheap step by step so you can help prevent common errors, speed up admin tasks, and give your site a little more breathing room when it needs it most. This is a simple fix, but it can make a big difference if your WordPress dashboard is slow, plugins are acting up, or you're getting memory-related errors while working on your site. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful WordPress videos. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is log into your Namecheap hosting cPanel. Once you're inside cPanel, scroll down until you find the Files section. This is where all of your website files are managed, and it's where we need to make our change. From there, click on File Manager. File Manager lets you browse and edit the files that control your WordPress website. When the File Manager opens, look for the public to HTML folder and click it. This folder usually contains the main files for your WordPress installation. Inside public HTML, find the wp-config.php file. This is one of the most important configuration files in WordPress, so be careful and make sure you're editing the correct file. Once you locate wp-config.php, right-click on it and select Edit. A text editor will open where you can safely make changes to the file. Now you need to find the line containing wp-debug. This is usually a good place to add the memory limit code. Directly on or near that line, add the WordPress memory limit code. For example, you can set the memory limit to 600 MB if that's the amount you want to use. This tells WordPress to allow more memory for your site to run properly. If you're not sure what value to use, start with a reasonable number based on your hosting needs and the size of your website. After entering the code, take a moment to double check that everything looks correct. A small typo in wp-config.php can cause problems, so always review your changes before saving. Once you're satisfied, click Save Changes. That will update the file and apply your new memory limit. At this point, your WordPress memory limit is now updated in Namecheap. You can go back to your WordPress dashboard and test your site or try the task that was causing the memory issue before. In many cases, this simple change can help improve stability and fix those frustrating limit-related errors. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more clear WordPress tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.